Alright, everyone, welcome to Big T Slots from Laughlin. We are playing a Lightning Link Heart Throb. And we did just get the hold and spin with a minor. That's your minor. That's the rest of your progressives. Let's see if we can get something big happen. I want to see that grand. I want to see $16,000. That'd make my trip for Reno real fun. There you go. Another minor just went by. Yeah. The one over at, where's it at? Colorado Bell. The grand is at $39,000. Ridiculous. I played it last night. I put $200 in the tiki, and then I couldn't even get a bonus or a hold and spin. I couldn't get anything. There you go. Just two. And they're both linked, but it's just a two, and it's kind of like this setup, but same two games, just super. I mean, I've never seen it at almost $40,000. All right, there you go. Pretty good hold and spin bonus.
All right, 80 bucks. Another big win on Big T Slots. Took a few live back up. Come on, do it again. Back to back. Come on, Heart Throb, do it again. Stay hot. I'm gonna drop another minor or a major. Come on, I want to see green or blue. Or just a bunch of red. I'll be happy with that. Oh, nice! Another minor on that one, too. Yeah, dropping minors all over the place. Another mini. All right, we'll take 10 bucks at a time. Come on, at least one more. There you go, there you go. Yeah, I'll take anyone at that. All right, last spin, come on. Save it. One more. Another good spin, though. I won't complain. All right, another $40. We'll take back-to-back holding spins. Yeah, hey, it's a quick 60 bucks. That's it. Quick 60 bucks to keep playing. No, it would have been nice 3 in a row. I know. Now I want one free spin bonus. There you go, that's pretty good. That would have been really nice in the free spins. Yeah, on that one, I got like a $200 in the free spins. Yeah, it's crazy. So rare. That was like that one. I had, it was almost the same screen as that looking for mine. So you're 8 times every single line. It pays really good. Come on, Heart Throb, keep going. You do videos? I do. I have a YouTube slot channel. What's your name? Big T Slots. I'll give you a card. Okay. You check it out. I appreciate that. Come on. All right, you got 3 more spins, Heart Throb. So that's all you're getting. Yeah, them tikis. Come on. 2 moons, 2 tikis for you. Come on. All right, last spin. Save me. That's another spin. Come on. Alright guys, thanks for watching Big T Slots, and we'll be back soon. Alright everyone, welcome back to Big T Slots from Laughlin. Finally got something worth recording. $1.20 bet on Bier Haus. We just got 25 free spins with a few lock wilds, so
See if we could get a good spin or two, and maybe we'll wind up with something to actually brag about for this weekend. Come on, fill it in. Come on, one time, baby. Oh, come on, baby. Get back, get back, get back. Oh, there you go. Retrigger. Oh, it would have been nice to have that third, but I believe we got another Lock Wild in there. So take 10 more spins, another Lock Wild. Just start getting some big wins on this game. So let's see it coming. Fill it up with beer mugs. Come on, baby. One time. Come on, baby. Need some money here. Need something huge. Full screen me. Come on, baby. Get it. Where's my Hans at? There's some. Right, come on, baby. Get it big. Oh, there you go. Oh, those beer ladies. Come on. All right, 30 bucks. Let's get it going. We need one big screen. All right, 44. Decent little line hit. Come on. Let's get it going. Oh, there you go. Come on, come on. Oh, man, we needed some more mugs in that fourth reel. All right, 57. 25 spins left. Come on, baby. Do it again. Do it big. All right, 62. Come on. Let's get it going. 24 spins left. I want to see one full screen. Let's get some Hans, get some beer mugs. Oh, there you go. That's a nice little spin. All right, 71 bucks. Come on. I need at least one big spin here. Come on, baby. Let's do it. Come on. Mugs. All right, 81 bucks. Come on. Fill it up. Come on, 19 more spins. Let's get one big one. There you go. Holy cow, I needed that so bad. That's a really good line hit. Not a super big win or nothing, but we'll take it. All right, 148 bucks. That's a pretty looking screen. Come on, do it again. Come on, Retrigger, baby. Get it, get it. Get back. It's 152. Come on, we got this. Let's go. Come on, one big one. Come on, we got this. I want to see at least $800, $900. I need one big screen. All right, it's 164. Come on, 16 spins left. Let's get it going. Come on, Bier Haus. Where's the mugs at? Decent little spin. 181. Alright, guys, remember you are watching Vic T Slots. Come on. I need something huge here. Come on, one spin. I just want one spin. That's a full screen of something good. 194. We're getting there. 12 more spins. Come on, baby. Get it good. Alright, it's a decent little spin. 205, and we're moving up. Let's go. 11 more spins. Come on, baby. Fill it up. Fill it up. 218. Come on. Let's get it. Come on, baby. Where's my mugs? Where's my full screen of that Hans guy? Come on. Get out here. 222. Come on, baby. Mugs, mugs. Come on. Oh, yes. Another really good spin. Would have been so nice to have the mugs on the end, but I'll take 254, 8 spins left. Come on, baby. Fill it up. Fill it up. 262. Come on, let's get it going. Where's the big spin? 269. Come on, let's see. Get it. $1.20 bet, so we're already over 200x. Let's go. Come on. Fill it up one time, baby. 280. Come on. I want to see at least 300 on this one, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's get it. Either a big retrigger or a big screen. There you go. $15 for the 5 Hans line hit. Boom. There it is, 306. Come on. 3 spins left. Let's make it happen. Come on. One big one. One big one. There you go. Another nice little spin. 319. I want to see 360. Let's get the 300 times. Come on. Where's one big one? Ah, ladies, you screwed me. All right, last spin coming up. Let's go. I want at least 40 bucks. Let's get it. Right here. Here it is. Come on. Ah, not bad. $331.20 on Bier Haus. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. That was a lot of fun right there. $331.20 on 50 slots on Bier Haus. Too bad this game didn't have a built-in progressive. Man, wow, that is pretty. Look at that. Let's take a few backup spins. See if we get one more bonus, and man, that was fun. Alright guys, that'll do it. I appreciate you watching. Please remember, thumbs up the video, share the video, and again, I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching Big T Slots.